Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says which is not the correct statement about RNA and DNA. The options are DNA is active in virus while RNA never appears in virus, or DNA exists as dimer while RNA is usually single-stranded. DNA contains deoxyribose as its sugar and RNA contains ribose. Fourth option is RNA contains uracil in place of thymine found in DNA as a base. Okay, so we have to figure out the correct statement from the above options. The key concept is न्यूक्लिक एसिड. अब हम वन बाय वन सारे स्टेटमेंट्स को डिस्कस करते हैं टू फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. First option is DNA is active in virus while RNA never appears in virus. We know that genetic material or component in virus can be both DNA and RNA. Okay, so virus can have both the genetic components DNA and RNA, but the statement says RNA never appears in virus, so this statement is incorrect statement. Now let us look at the other options. DNA exists as dimer whereas RNA appears as single-stranded. So DNA, it is true that it occurs as a double helical structure. Okay, the structure of DNA is a double helical structure, somewhat like this, whereas in RNA it can exist as double-stranded structure, but the single-stranded structure is more stable. So we know जो stable होता है वही exist करता है. The single-stranded structure is more stable in case of RNA. So RNA occurs as a single-stranded structure. This statement is correct. Third statement which says DNA contains deoxyribose as its sugar component. So if we look at DNA, the name is deoxyribose nucleic acid. So the name itself suggests that it contains a deoxyribose sugar, whereas RNA, it is ribose nucleic acid. So the sugar in nucleic acid in DNA is deoxyribose, while in RNA it is ribose. This statement is also correct. The last statement which says RNA contains uracil in place of thymine. तो हमें पता है कि बेसिस क्या होते हैं, एडेनाइन, गुआनाइन, साइटोसिन and thymine. These are the bases present in DNA, but in RNA this thymine is replaced by another nucleotide, heterogeneous base or nitrogenous base, which is uracil in RNA. So RNA contains adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil in place of thymine, which is present in DNA. So this statement is also correct. So the statement which is not correct about RNA and DNA is that DNA is active in virus while RNA never appears in virus. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.